Do you remember a while ago that I promised you that I would make a video about the renovation that we did in our house at the beginning of this year? Well, today is that video, so I'm going to walk you through it and hopefully you'll pick up some new vocabulary for talking about things inside the house. Okay, let me show you.
We're in the lounge now, or some people call it the living room, and we had this sofa before, but then we bought some new cushions for it, and we put up that shelf that you can see above it. And we've got a basket in the corner there with a throw in it, so you can get all cozy in the evening next to the little lamp there. This is our new TV unit, and the TV is now up on the wall. It was a little bit stressful. As you can see, we had to hide all these wires behind the wall, and then we wanted to choose a really nice wallpaper to just make a feature wall there. So we chose between these 5. I think we made the right decision. Yeah, we're very happy with the new wallpaper. And then on this side of the room, we put up some little shelves, and we actually replaced the old fireplace. So we took out this one that you can see here, and it was quite disgusting because there was lots of rubble and also a dead bird behind there. So not so pleasant, but anyway, it looks great now. And here we've got a lovely, comfortable chair for reading. And now I'll take you through the hallway. So let's have a look down here. By the way, when I say we, I should really say our builder. He was fantastic. He replaced all the floors and did all of this painting. He's done a really, really good job. We're very happy with it. Now we're in our front room, and here's our new bookcase we bought. As you can see, I love reading, and I love sitting in these little armchairs by the beautiful shutters and just enjoying a book in the sunshine because our house is south facing. And we also got this lovely new plant and popped it on top of this cupboard. The cupboard used to look like this, so obviously a big improvement there too. In fact, this whole room was very red, and it had this musty old red wallpaper, so it was really satisfying to strip that off, replaster the walls, and just give everything a nice fresh look. And I think that's what we've achieved here. The grey paint is a very calm colour. We've still got the dado rail to keep it traditional. My son loves playing the keyboard in here, and my husband enjoys playing the guitar, so it's a very musical room. We've always absolutely loved this traditional old fireplace with these tiles, so we didn't change that at all. And then at the moment, we've got a little desk in the corner for my husband's workspace until this crazy pandemic is over.
So there we go, that's our renovation. I hope you enjoyed the tour. We're very happy here, pleased with all the decisions that we made. And let me know in the comments if you learn any new vocabulary.